Alright, now we're talking. A boat with major fishability with also family capabilities, that's a center console. Whether you're looking to go out and catch as many fish as possible, or go out to the sandbar with the family and enjoy yourself, many center consoles nowadays can do both. Your center consoles are typically going to be outboard powered boats, anywhere from 1, 2, 3, even 4 engines on the back of one boat. The whole point of a center console is so you have a free range of motion from the bow or the front of the boat all the way back to the stern where the engines are in the back of the boat if a fish decides to go all crazy on you and you need to follow him around. Whether we're talking about fishing, diving, relaxing, or anything in between, a center console is the best bet for you. If you've shifted away from fishing a little bit more towards family capabilities, then the dual console is probably the perfect boat for you. These are boats that instead of having the console in the center of the boat is shifted over to the side, and then you have a center walkthrough that usually leads to bow seating. One major advantage of a dual console over a center console is you do have much more shade. Dual consoles are primarily for family use with a lot of seating, however they can be fished from, usually with a live well or two on the back of the boat. For the most part, your dual consoles are going to be primarily outboard powered. With 1, 2, or even 3 outboards on the back of these boats, you're going to have enough power to get up and go, and also when you pull up to the sandbar, you'll be able to trim up to get in that really shallow water. But don't forget to keep an eye on the tide.